Hello friends and welcome back to your channel House to Home. This episode is on prawn roast recipe, a dry kind of roast that goes very good with rice. I've taken about 1 kg of prawn here, medium sized prawn, salt and oil, 1 tablespoon of garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of pepper powder, coriander powder, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, chili powder as per your taste, and 2 large onions sliced, 2 green chilies slit into half, a handful of curry leaves and coriander leaves. So these are the ingredients required, and now let's start making. At first, take your prawn, add in the spice powders, turmeric powder, coriander powder, pepper, red chili powder, garam masala powder, a little salt, the ginger garlic paste. Mix everything together and let it marinate for about 5 minutes. Mix well so that the masala gets coated very well in our prawn. Don't add any water. So our prawns are completely coated now, and I'm going to marinate this for about 5 to 10 minutes. Keep this aside. After 5 minutes, take a pan and add oil. Add in the prawns. And we'll have to roast the prawn until golden brown. Add required oil to roast the prawn. At first the water will be spussing out. Maintain a very high flame. So this all water content has to dry up. So now the prawn is perfectly roasted and turned very golden brown. The water content has completely dried. So this is the required consistency. Keep the prawns aside, and in the same pan add 2 slitted green chilies and onions. Also throw in some curry leaves. And saute it until the onion turns transparent. You may add little chili powder or pepper if you require. Add in a little salt. Remember, we have already added salt in the prawns, so adjust it as per the requirement. Keep sauteing. Now the onions had cooked up prettily. Let's add in the roasted prawns to this and cook this for about 2 minutes. until everything combines well. Add in some chopped coriander leaves and toss it well. And our prawn roast is ready. This really goes very good with rice. Hope you will give this recipe a try and let me know your comments and reviews in the comment section box below. Please like the video and share it. Don't forget to subscribe to House to Home. Thanks for watching House to Home.